All right, I'm gonna go inside 230 Christie Holiday Pop-Up at Yarmouth Road and Christie Street. It's a pretty store. All right, so here we are. We're going in. It's quite cute in here. I might do some shopping. So, hi. We are inside now, and tell me a bit about the store.
So basically we are a collective of about 20 plus vendors.
Oh, okay.
Everyone is pretty much from the immediate area and all from Toronto.
All right.
And we're here for a holiday pop-up
Nice.
until Christmas.
Oh, okay. That's great. Well, the store did catch my eye as I'm walking along. I'm like, I wonder if I can come in and say hello. Cute stuff. I love this. And yeah, I do have, and then sometimes I'll do videos on shopping ideas like for Christmas, and this would be great. Oh, I love this. Oh my. So, sorry, who's the designer?
I am.
Oh, you are? Oh, I love it. Ah, okay. Neato. And what about if somebody brings you a t-shirt? I have a lot. I might be your client now.
And then here we have the custom pajama pants. So you can pick your plaid pants.
Okay.
And, thank you. 1 second.
Yeah, no worries. Go ahead.
No, she was just doing it.
Okay, so this is your jewelry. And, this is, your CC Joy then?
I'm CC Joy.
Okay, CC Joy collection. Awesome. One of a kind pieces or?
Yeah, I do a lot of custom. I work with, these are all waterproof, tarnish-free, hypoallergenic.
Okay.
I make custom bag charms. As you can see, I love color.
Oh, wow.
I love
They're so
shells.
pretty.
And also I have vermeil and sterling silver over here.
Wow. Very nice.
And then some curated accessories.
Mm-hmm. And the prices are reasonable. Like, yeah, it's a good price point.
These have been one of my best sellers here.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Nice.
Sold out almost over the weekend.
Wow. And what did you open up?
We opened, we're in our second week.
Oh, okay, second week. Oh, wow.
Here, we opened last Monday. We're here until Christmas.
Okay. Good to know.
Okay, you want me to tell you about the pajama
Sure.
pants again? Okay. So we have custom pajama pants here. So you pick your pants. So we have different plaids for kids and for adults.
Okay.
And lots more. And then you pick what kind of smiley. So if you want a big smiley, you can pick something like that.
Okay.
If you want a little Santa smiley, if you want little mini ones, we have so many different little ones. And then I press them on.
Do you have an
I do have one.
example?
Let me grab it for you.
Neato. Cute.
So this is one that's been done. So we can do it however you want. So we can do 1, 3 on the side, anything. It's super fun. And then we have matching t-shirts to go with. So you can be, doing family pajamas without being all the same, slightly different, but still look like a collective together.
And the price for this would be?
So the adult ones are $45 and the kids ones are $30.
Okay. Good to know.
Yeah.
Neato. And then this room we have
more vendors.
Oh, okay.
So these are the people of your neighborhood.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So we have Tania.
Oh, puzzles.
Yeah, she converts some of her pieces into puzzles, which is really fun.
Oh.
And then she has some framed pieces up above.
Nice. Lemon. Wow, cute shop.
Lots of fun gifting.
Now, will there be continue like for a different season? Like we're in the Christmas holiday season, so
that
yeah.
right now, yeah.
Okay.
These are done by one of our good friends' grandmothers, so
wow.
They're really special and unique pieces.
They are.
And these pieces here are done by moms in the neighborhood. So we have the candles, the earrings, the prints, and then we have paintings. So they all work in separate careers, and this has become an outlet of passion and creativity, and now they've found ways to set up and show their work. We have another mom here who's also a full-time art teacher, so you can see that portrayed in some of her work.
Yeah.
Custom fabric and printing.
I love that.
Which is really special.
Amazing. Oh, I love this. They have actually for men, right? I guess. Like,
yes.
Yeah. That's good.
Can be for ladies who shave their legs.
So cute. A lot of nice talent here. Wow.
We have honey.
Oh,
we
wow.
have the holistic facelift kits.
Nice.
The skate swipes.
Skate swipes. Oh, I see.
On your skates.
Oh, okay. Wow.
Fun little gifts for boys, girls, kids. More pajama pants. And then this is our custom slipper area where you can find patches and put them on your slippers, and then we press like them on the spot.
Yeah. Look at that. That's
super fun.
It is.
We have them kids
to
up to adults. So they're very sweet. Lots of possibilities.
Wow. Yeah, for sure. I love this. Cute. Awesome. I like bling bling. And do you have a business card?
So there's also this book. I don't know if this is about Macintosh.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Beautiful coffee table book.
Wow. So please check out 230 Christie Holiday Pop-Up in Dovercourt Village. What an awesome neighborhood here in Toronto. Always great to support local businesses. Thank you for watching Cool Auntie. Stay tuned for more of Villages of Toronto series throughout the channels. So stay tuned for more as I explore, discover, and capture these cool neighborhoods in Toronto.